All right, all you wonderful boys and girls. Hey, Mark Centerline Systems. I'm not 100% sure how this is going to turn out. I'm kind of in my back little training room, storage kind of room, and I've kind of got my Blackstone grill set up in here, and I'm going to start doing barbecue, getting ready for barbecue this winter out that back door there. But like I said, I said I was going to start doing a lot more of kind of like cooking videos and do-it-yourself type of videos, and this goes for the boys and the girls. And here, I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing. So I got a Blackstone grill set up here. I don't know how it popped up in my feed, but this kind of outdoorsy guy, I don't follow him, and I'll leave a link to his video down here so you can see him and give him credit. And I apologize to you, sir. I normally don't follow you. You just kind of popped up in my feed, so I don't know your name off the top of it, but I'll find it again, and I'll give him credit. But it's just a real basic breakfast thing that this guy did, and that's what I'm making here, and I'll kind of show you real quickly. So pardon me, I'm just going to kind of tilt this down. And so you got to try new things. It's just hash browns. Now I'm using bacon grease. You could use butter or whatever oil. Bacon grease. I've got some mushrooms and green peppers. That's what I'm going to use for my vegetables. And then my meat is ham. And so here I'm already going to start prepping this because it's ready to do it. And then I'm going to add some egg to my hash browns. That was kind of what he called for. Oh, that's getting away from me just a little bit. I want them actually in the hash browns, not kind of running up by themselves. So I've never made this before, so this will be my first time. But that's my point here is get out and just try it, right? And have a little fun. Try something new, and that's what I'm doing here, right? So I'm sauteing some vegetables, except for the bacon grease, which, it's natural fat. I render it down. I don't eat bacon very often, but that's what I'm using for my oil. Use whatever you want to use, but it's going to be a pretty healthy, pretty damn hearty breakfast. And then I'm going to go spend the rest of the day out in the blind. Here, let's get this kind of set back up. Yeah, and there you go. And then I'm going to spend the rest of the day out in the blind. Well, not the rest of the day, just this morning. I'm going to do a little bit of turkey hunting. But I'll post the link to his video so you can see this whole thing. Hey, guys and gals, get out of your comfort zone. Get out there and start doing new things, right? You got to learn how to, come on, guys, how do you not know how to make breakfast like this? Get out there, learn something new. Don't be afraid to fail, right? That's half the joy of it. Fail, lessons learned, do better next time and try again. All right, that's all I got, everybody. You know the deal. If you got questions, comments, that was weird because I actually have to reach back there and turn the camera off. That's why I did that. That's not a new thing. Hey, if you got questions, comments, you know the deal. Reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, have some good food, and never quit. All right, everybody, be good. And hopefully I'll have a good day out in the ground blind. All right, talk to you later. Woo!